If you're experiencing water leaking into your chimney, there are several root causes that you need to be aware of. If any of these potential problem spots are left unchecked, this could cause troublesome and expensive water damage inside of your home. In this video, we're giving you the top 5 ways water can leak into your chimney. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent-related content. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. Number 1. Damaged chimney cap. Your chimney cap is designed to keep outside elements from entering the interior of your chimney. These elements include water-based threats, such as rain, snow, sleet, and hail. If your chimney cap is damaged, water will be able to enter your chimney and potentially cause water damage inside of your home. Number 2. Damaged flashing. Chimney flashing is a waterproof material or technique that creates a seal between the base of your chimney and your roof. Flashing is designed to prevent rain, snow, and other debris from entering your home. If your chimney's flashing is damaged or cracked, water may be able to enter freely into your home and cause a lot of damage. Number 3. Cracked bricks. Despite their solid appearance and texture, bricks are actually porous and can absorb water. As bricks age, weather-related elements can cause bricks to freeze and thaw repeatedly, which can cause bricks to crack. If the brick layer surrounding your chimney is cracking, water may be seeping into the interior of your chimney. Number 4. Damaged mortar joints. Similar to the way bricks can age and crack over time, mortar joints can break down too. If the exterior of your chimney experiences harsh weather elements on a regular basis, the mortar joints sealing your chimney may be cracking or crumbling, which will allow water to trickle freely into your chimney. Number 5. Damaged chimney crown. Your chimney crown is the protective barrier that sits beneath your chimney cap. While some chimney crowns can be made of metal or stone, most chimney crowns are most commonly made of concrete. Over time, your chimney crown can begin to crack and crumble, just like brick and mortar. If your chimney crown is breaking, you should anticipate water entering your chimney anytime it rains or snows. Now that you know the top 5 ways water can leak into your chimney, it's time to give Alpha and Omega a call to schedule your annual sweep and inspection today. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. Stay tuned for more Alpha and Omega content, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.